I must have known about gambling in casinos more from Kenny Rogers' Gambler song than my folks were ever going to tell me. An obvious hotspot for 18 and over, casinos are entertainment places where people with extra cash can have fun by trying to double their luck, either in poker games like blackjack or in the roulette table. The hub of gambling in the world is the city of Las Vegas. But the most expensive and luxurious casino only has roots in Vegas. But the actual location is thousands of miles away. The most luxurious casino in the world is Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Owned by Las Vegas Sands Corporation, Marina Bay Sands is practically the most luxurious and expensive casino in the world. The casino officially opened its doors for bubbling gamblers on the 17th of February 2011. The Bayfront Avenue property is the most beautiful architectural work in the entire Asian nation, and easily one of the city's landmarks. The seaside megastructure was meticulously designed in a way that allowed 3 towers to be connected to the world's largest infinity pool, stretching over 190 meters. It cost $5.88 billion to complete the project. The features of this casino, which doubles up as a hotel because most of its visitors are foreigners, are totally amazing. Designed by Israeli-Canadian architect and theorist Moshe Safdie, the structure shoots up into the sky over 180 meters. He said he was inspired by a deck of cards, and now his design is hosting millions of people who love flipping and flapping the actual deck of cards. The Marina Bay Park Casino has a 4-story central atrium with 4 gaming and entertainment spaces, all covering a massive 160,000 square feet. All this just for gaming alone. This automatically makes it the largest and most expensive standalone casino in the world. Not only by the cost of construction, but also by ground space. The vast area has over 500 American roulette tables, leaving the red and black colored rotatable wheels decorating the space. For the gamers who prefer slot machines, a total of 1,600 is fitted with lethal efficiency, leaving players with only 2 options to either win or lose. The casino can accommodate around 4,000 people at once. When designing this beautiful bayside monument, Mr. Moshe did not forget the accommodation of traveling guests. He spaced 2,561 private hotel rooms for the traveling visitors. The peculiar but attractive shaped monument is a one-stop shop for the wealthy people who frequent it for gambling reasons. Taking into consideration rich people do not fancy moving around the city, displaying their faces all over, the Marina Bay Sands also has a vast shopping mall. This makes it possible for all the guest gamblers to access whatever they may need within the same premises. The shopping mall boasts over 300 stores and covers a mouth-watering 93,000 square meters of space. Known stop shops as Ralph Lauren, Chanel, Prada, Gucci, and Christian Dior are all here. Clearly, this is not a place for ordinary people. It is called the Shops at Marina Bay Sands. Simple, but cute. Another tantalizing feature in the more massive Marina Casino that proves it's a destination for the rich is the Art Science Museum. Well, I don't know what it is about rich people and arts, but separating the two can prove to be an upheaval task. With an average of 150 wealthy persons visiting the premises weekly, the designer thought it wise to create this museum, probably as a therapy place after losing big, like the Singaporean man who lost $400,000 within an hour. The museum's exhibitions include the blend of art, science and culture, and also technology. The welcoming hand of Singapore, as Marina Sands is referred to by its proprietor and chairman of Las Vegas Sands, Sheldon Adelson, occupies 50,000 square feet and offers 21 gallery spaces. Apart from the enchanting panoramic view of the city, as evident from the top floors of Marina Bay Sands, the infinity pool at the top of the sky park will leave any first-time visitor in total amusement. The facility, designed to calm down the nerves of gamblers after crossing their fingers the whole night, is worldly. With a full length of 146 meters, that is about 490 feet, it stands as the longest elevated pool in the world. Made from over 200,000 kilograms of stainless steel, the pool has a capacity to hold around 400,000 gallons of water. While others in the world of gambling believe that a deck of cards is the devil's prayer book, at the Marina Sands Sky Park, all the fun possibilities and ideas are executable. You will find a nightclub at the rooftop, Lavo, which is also in the other casinos in Vegas and New York. Another high-end joint is C'est La Vie. Both places serve as relaxation avenues for the guests at Marina Sands Casino, with expensive cocktails and appetizing costly champagnes on the shelves. The Sky Park is, however, a no-go zone unless you are very important. The security is tremendously enhanced to safeguard VIP visitors' safety. Marina Sands Casino, just like its parent company back in Las Vegas, is a hotspot for celebrities. So much so that the likes of R&B crooner Kelly Rowland and Singaporean pop artist Sylvia Ratanel are frequent performers at the place. This prompted the developers to come up with celebrity chef restaurants for both the wealthy clients and even for celebrities with an appetite for gambling. Gordon Ramsay's Bread Street Kitchen, Wolfgang Puck's Cut, Mario Batali's Pizzeria, and Austria Mozza. David Thompson's Long Chim are among many restaurants present at Marina Sands. You would effortlessly realize all the culinary experience areas are covered, from the Chinese menu, Japanese menu, and Italian menu, and all the other contemporary ones. The meals at these restaurants do not come cheap. A plate goes for about $600. For a person who willingly dishes thousands of dollars in the blackjack table, stuffing your intestines with $600 worth of delicacy shouldn't be a big bargain. The Holistic Casino at the Marina Sands also harbors two crystal pavilions. One has nightclubs, and the other has the world's largest Louis Vuitton boutique. Are you really taking note of the designer brand shops at this casino? I've lost count, but one thing is for sure, a good number of people will definitely choose Paris over Singapore as the host to the largest store of Louis Vuitton. But it is what it is. As a guest visitor to Marina Sands Casino, try not to be over-surprised when the 140-piece symphony orchestra starts entertaining you. It's normal, lanes for the rich. The music composed by the best in the game in the country. It is a tradition at the marina for the orchestra to play during the Spectra show. Talking of the Spectra show, our bucket of surprises seems far from being depleted. The show is one of the most fantastic water laser shows in the world, and obviously the biggest in entire Southeast Asia. The luxury and comfort of the guests is definitely the blueprint of success at this casino. While, as earlier mentioned, it is estimated hundreds of tycoons visit the premises in a week, a more corporate and fun aspect was also considered during the construction. A theatre room with over 2,000 seats. The modern amenity is known to host shows, among them the famous Lion King. For the guests who love on-ice activities, a skating rink made of synthetic ice is strategically located next to the theatre, stretching a whole 6,500 square feet. The final feature that will make guests feel like they are in paradise while at Marina Sands are the boat rides. You heard that just well, boat rides. Not in the sea, but at the building. The building has long canals running through the entire structure. This feature allows guests to ride back and forth in the process, evoking memories of the gondolas in Venice. I mean, for only those that have been to Venice. This world-class casino has the amenities that no other has. At least for 10 years now. To make sure everything runs smoothly, you wouldn't want to annoy a losing gambler. The parent company, Las Vegas Sands, has employed around 10,000 staff members. The number is thrice the number of employees at Twitter. Yes, Twitter has only employed 3,800 people, less than my followers on the very platform. The 10,000 workers include casino dealers, the floor attendants, security, kitchen staff, among others. All of them are trained professionals. The Marina Sands Casino is known to be the most profitable venture in the gambling industry worldwide, with an annual turnover of over $1 billion. It seems the phrase "use your money to get money" tag is a redeemable dream. While others may argue gambling can leave you at the peak of depression, unless done responsibly, the ballsy intensity with which this place is designed is nothing short of a dream destination. Can you imagine hitting the jackpot while floating on the 60th floor with a full skyline view of Marina Bay bestowed on your sight? I can guarantee there is no better feeling than that. So there you have it, the most luxurious casino in the world. What impressed you the most about this casino? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.